Today we are going to learn LR parsing algo. Before that, some things are there. That the first thing is top down and bottom up parser has no relation. It means between top down and bottom up parser, that is there is no relation. Means between top down and bottom up parser there is no relation. And another thing is that for all LR parsers, parsing algo is same, but parsing table is different. Parsing algo is same, but parsing table is different. Now we are going to learn LR parsing algo. What is this? There are some rules how they are work. Let's see. Let S be the state on top of the stack this is the top of the stack, and A will be the look ahead symbol. Then what will happen? The first thing is that if action S start symbol and A look at symbol is equal to SI, next state we can say, then shift A and I and increment input pointer. The second thing, if action SA is equal to RJ, it means reduction of the state. We will see, we are going to understand these rules when we are going to learn with the example. RJ and jth production. RJ means jth production is alpha tends to beta, then pop 2 into beta. 2 into beta means multiple symbols will get pop, and replace, because this is reduction, that's why multiple symbol will get pop, and replace by alpha is by alpha. If Sm minus 1 is the state below alpha, then push go to Sm minus 1 comma alpha. Reduction, and if Sm minus 1 means next state, this is the start state. In the similar way, Sm minus 1 is a state below that production, then push go to, then we will go to the go to part of the table. which we are going to learn from the example. Then the third thing is that if this is in which we are going next, we are shifting here, we are doing reduction, and the next thing is that if action SA is equal to ACC, it means that is accepting the string, then successful completion of parsing, it means string gets successful accepted. And the next or the last one, if action SA is equal to blank, then some parsing error is there, means the string cannot get accepted. So this is for moving from one state to another state, how it is moving. This is reduction, and this is acceptance of the string, and this is for parsing error. So these are the rules through which we are going to see with the help of example or with the help of table how we can accept a string in LR parsing.